Nuclear Island is a project that was initiated through the National HE STEM programme of which I'm director. And so my role was actually working to take this forward on a larger, more substantial scale from the pilot project and rolling it out to other institutions across England and Wales. So really we supported the development of the idea, but actually building upon the hard work of others and the ideas of others.
The role of the Royal Academy of Engineering in this project was firstly to provide funding for the pilot phase, subsequently to secure further funding for a development phase for the experiential model, and thirdly the Academy had oversight of this project because it falls within the engineering strand of the National HE STEM programme. Learning outcomes were devised over a series of 3 consultations, one with employers, one with universities, and a third consultation where we had both parties together. We had 24 universities together with a further 22 major employer representatives in civil engineering and the nuclear industry's provisions.
Nuclear Island gives us the ability for graduates to interact with apprentices, to interact with those already in the workplace, and to develop new skills amongst other people. So it's a real kind of opportunity to develop skills.
Probably the single most important aspect of the learning outcomes was safety, in terms of the seismic withstand, site security and all those sort of things which goes along with having to build and run and maintain a nuclear facility.
Nuclear Island gives a fascinating case study that you can talk to a potential employer about. So it's real world experience, you can talk about working in a team, you can talk about taking an idea and developing it. And it really helps students to stand out amongst those others that they'll be competing with for highly competitive positions.
Interestingly, students were asked if they would be prepared to mentor students from the following year, and almost overwhelmingly responded yes, and this indicates that they had a valued experience that they wish to share with others. So overall, I think we could say it was a very, very successful project.
Every university has, as one of its priorities, looking at engaging with employers and developing the curriculum. Some look at that in the sense of taking advice on how to develop the curriculum. Here we're looking at employers being actively engaged in the development, delivery and assessment, and I think that's a very, very unique model. So I think it's looking at how this idea can be extended to other areas.
And this kind of project is an exemplar of how you could actually achieve those kind of working relationships even on a very, very large scale, which is quite unusual. It's a very innovative project, which is one of the reasons why we funded it in the first place.